the morning, one gentleman, a young man of 27 years, called me up from Kanpur and asked me, "Sir, can I wear a one-mukhi Rudraksh?" I have made in the past from the one-mukhi to 17-mukhi Rudraksh series in Hindi. Many of the people, those who do not follow Hindi, have requested me to make videos in English. So now I will be making videos from 1-mukhi to 21-mukhi Rudraksh. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe and become part of our group, and don't forget to put the bell icon on so that whenever I upload a video, you don't miss it. 1-mukhi Rudraksh. What is the meaning of 1-mukhi Rudraksh? Where it is available? Which are the fake one? What is available in the market? Who should wear it? Who should not wear it? All these things we will discuss in this video about 1-mukhi. First of all, 1-mukhi Rudraksh is available only in Indonesia. Those who sell that it is a Nepali 1-mukhi Rudraksh is definitely a fake. Me, my father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, all have been dealing with Rudraksh, and I can tell you with 100% confidence and authenticity that Nepal 1-mukhi Rudraksh does not exist. Many people sell Bhadraksh, which is a half moon shaped, which I am showing in the picture, as 1-mukhi Rudraksh. That is also not good. They are Bhadraksh. Bhadraksh are poisonous seeds. Please don't wear this. This is my personal opinion. 1-mukhi Rudraksh, which you get from the Indonesia, is sold in the market. But 99% Rudraksh sold as 1-mukhi Rudraksh from Indonesia are actually 1.5-mukhi. 1.5-mukhi Rudraksh means there are one and there are another half seed. The Rudraksh has to have only one seed inside, then only it will be called 1-mukhi Rudraksh. There has to be only one line on the outer space. This comes in a cylindrical shape, not in the round shape, and it should be tested by a authentic laboratory, which you can verify online whenever you buy the Rudraksh. We give you such Rudraksh. Each Rudraksh which is given to you comes with a specific identification number. You can go to the website of the laboratory, which is a third party. I have no control over it. Put the document number and you will find all the details from where it has come, where the dimension, where the weight, what kind of test has been done, UV test, X-ray test, magnification test, all kind of things will be described there. So you are absolutely sure that this is 1-mukhi Rudraksh. Now I was talking about a gentleman, 27 years old. He wanted to know whether he can wear 1-mukhi Rudraksh or not. Who should not wear? I'll start from there. A person who has malified intention in life, who is multi-psychic, who tells lies, who manipulates people, and who has bad intention should not even touch this Rudraksh. It will be detrimental and it will be disastrous for this kind of people. Why I am saying it will become disastrous? Because it will just smash you. Smash all your negative qualities. Now you cannot lie. Now you cannot have different faces. Now you cannot become crooked. You will become a simple spiritual man. That is the problem. So the intention is to cheat people, tell lies and misguide people by having the power of Rudraksh like Rakshasas do. Then 1-mukhi Rudraksh is not going to help you. In fact, it may bring you back from this kind of bad paths and bad approach in life, and it can make you a person who will have only one face. So beware. If you are buying this Rudraksh to gain materialistic gain in life, it's not going to happen. Many people sell 1-mukhi Rudraksh saying that it will make you rich. No, it is not for that. Richness and materialistic gain is the things of outer world. 1-mukhi Rudraksh for the internal world, the spiritual world. It makes you Ekamukhi, one-faced person, one-faceted, not many-faceted, not like Ravana, 10 faces. Only one face, one direction. Samadrushti, with one eye you see, look at the whole universe. No differentiation on the basis of caste, creed, sex, religion. You become totally compassionate and you do not discriminate people. That is the power of 1-mukhi Rudraksh. So you want to have clarity in your thoughts, if you don't want to stay confused in your life, if you want to achieve things with clarity, with one dimension, The one focus, one Mukhi Rudraksh is for you. Astrologically speaking, one Mukhi Rudraksh should be worn if you have a Pitru dosha. It also helps you in Kalasarpa dosha. If the Saturn is looking at the sun, along with the 17 Mukhi Rudraksh, if you wear one Mukhi, it is more beneficial. If you have a Kalasarpa dosha along with 8, 9, 11 Mukhi Rudraksh, if you wear a one Mukhi Rudraksh, again it's more beneficial. And definitely if the Saturn is aspecting sun, one Mukhi Rudraksh can work like a wonderful panacea and powerful tool. So I told you who should not wear and who should wear. I told you astrologically these people can wear, and also people, those who have migraine, they should wear one Mukhi Rudraksh. People those who have neurological issues and the medicines are not helping should wear one Mukhi Rudraksh. Also people those who have dementia, forgetfulness, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease also should wear one Mukhi Rudraksh. If your parents are very much, paranoid about you, where you are going, why you have not called them, they keep calling you, they are scared about you, we are going for a party, why you have not come, so too much of attachment. If your parents are getting bothered because of you or they are bothering you because of insecurities, present them one Mukhi Rudraksh. It will help them to stabilize their mind, get little detached, and it will help them to progress on the path of spirituality, for meditation, etc. It will help them. If you want to buy one Mukhi Rudraksh from us, do contact me. The numbers are given down there. About the Rudraksh, gemstones and astrology, there are hundreds of videos on our website. Go to the video section on the website. Website link is given down. Please visit the website and understand about the different uses of Rudraksh, etc. Next video we will be talking about the 2 Mukhi Rudraksh, and later on we will continue till 21 Mukhi Rudraksh in this series of English videos. So share with others, your friends, those who don't understand Hindi, those who are staying abroad or of different languages, they can't understand Hindi, they will benefit from this. For our Hindi lovers, we have already made this Rudraksh. In future also we will make videos on Hindi also once we complete this series. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Wing Commander Santosh Sharma, founder of White Lotus Spirituality, Bangalore, India. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.